wallahi sai mun kai ko ba sa so
za mu kai can saman inda suka kasa kaiwa da kai da su da ogan sun summa
wallahi duk koma comedy na rantsi da girman Allah muna zuwa koma comedy
ai akai dan buro ba maza
yau akwai warka Jami wafiya cin da ka taba ka san waye mu kuwa abin yakin sabin digan to ka bawo
haba mu da ka ni da mu amana irin wannan tijaran haba a doke mu a hana mu kuka haba a dinga abu na hankali mana guys
garmasi ai muna nan wallahi sai mun kai mun hau tafiya mun canza giya kuma sai mun tashi sama burau ba like
take the over
Mix and Master by KDS.
I got trouble in my motherfucking common niggas, but now I'm truly paid the last man in this company. I know we face, I know these niggas start to fuck with me. They don't know I'm the rest. Entirely all the bitches looking Draculas, they know because I'm action. Liar, and I call these niggas Germany. Believe me, in this motherfucking game, I've been in Germany to try to mess with us. The niggas can't pull in the line. Since they check the papers, while we gonna spend the guns, we got the key. Boy, you wanna fuck with me, then before you fuck with me, I'm gonna tell you what I fuck before you start to fuck with me. You know I fuck up with Jennifer, I fuck up with Rihanna, I fuck up with Kardashian's family, I fuck Beyonce. Yeah, I'm truly be the best, I'm truly fuck the rest, I'm truly be the slave for hip hop, truly be the same. I'm truly got the space, you know I'm truly one of the best, you know I'm truly rapper who just wanna see his name at first. Yeah, wanna hear the name. They call it Rick Flows. Hearing on my shoes, I got a new Roblox. If you gonna fuck with me, you fucking dead walk. Chillin' for the girls to take suggest an action. Wanna hear the name? They call it Rick Flows. Hearing on my shoes, I got a new Roblox. If you gonna fuck with me, you fucking dead walk. Chillin' for the girls to take suggest an action. Oh, you can't believe the dollars I pay for my hustle. It's just they come excited, I'm coming for the bundles. Check the room with no candles, buy the roof and no crumbles. By the way, I got stand the proof and I'm racking it with no gumbles. I got dollars for my hustles, I got papers for my bubbles. Just live in disguise. The cake up for the crackle, just a bee in disguise. The money coming through is for the bitches and the skies. And I got Babylons for my hostel bitches. Here we go, we flex it up. My balling things with Kim Kardashian. I just clear my men checking out. She walk be at ya, we rock the nation. When we know with the best, I'm on the flashy. Cause I got a convocation, got like Benza, no proposition. Why not we can rap all occasion? And you can buy me, you can name me, you can share me, you can fame me, you can know. But no one mess me, no one fuck me, no one chase me. Don't test me, I'm hot, nigga. Don't mess me, I'm raised, nigga. Don't fuck me, I'm ghost, nigga. We gon' take an action, nigga. Wanna hear the name? They call it Rick Flows. Hearing on my shoes, I got a new Roblox. If you gonna fuck with me, you fucking dead walk. Chillin' for the girls to take suggest an action. Wanna hear the name? They call it Rick Flows. Hearing on my shoes, I got a new Roblox. If you gonna fuck with me, you fucking dead walk. Chillin' for the girls to take suggest an action. Like a baya mun taba gaya muku cewa mu ba mu haka sun san haka. In kai mesin da mu sai dai kaji ana maka mara buga mati nika fiyoyin duka mu ne kawai mata baka banni ni kadai. Ya zan yi na wai ya zan yi na freestyle muke making PON mu zan yi taking arewa to the wall nake nufi non stop sai mun isar kushin. Never man wai dan kana fushin sai me mato dan kana gurin fuck with us kai zaka ji jikin ba naira kaga ba batun kudin. Na gaura daga me kafi Christian Banana Island my new residence Ricky Flow dan na zama president haters kuma ku kira su da patient. We hope to blow like a Daryl Bakur. A bakin kowa mu ne kurum a ji mu anan just hadda bukur wakan mu suke ji wuni zubar kuma mu ne manya a can turin dan mu ne shegun kamun shiru wanka da ado na fidawi su kai ya ci kudi na walkiya gashi ko na tara kwalliya big boys da kudi sai shariya action da buga na birariya biyoyin YBH ne gida.